Hello, friends. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position, either on a cushion or a chair. And we'd like your back straight and your feet firmly planted on the ground. Close your eyes gently and bring attention to your breath. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs, and slowly exhale, releasing any tension or stress that you may be holding on to. Now let's begin our meditation practice. As you continue to breathe, feel the sensation of the breath entering and then leaving your body. Notice the coolness of the air as you inhale and the warmth as you exhale. Let your breath become your anchor, grounding you in this present moment. Now shift your attention to your body. Begin by relaxing your forehead and letting go of any tension that you may be holding there. Allow your eyebrows to soften and feel the muscles in your face and jaw relax. Let go of any tightness or clenching in your jaw, and let your tongue rest gently on the roof of your mouth. Now bring awareness to your neck and shoulders. Notice if there's any tightness or discomfort. And with each exhale, release that tension, allowing your shoulders to drop away from your ears. Feeling a sense of ease and relaxation spreading throughout your upper body. Now bring your attention to your arms and your hands. Become aware of any sensations that you may feel in these areas. Perhaps you can feel the weight of your hands resting in your lap, or the gentle touch of your fingertips against each other. Allow any tension or tightness to dissolve and feel a sense of lightness in your arms. While continuing your breath, we'll shift your awareness to the chest and abdomen. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your breath as your lungs expand and contract. Expand and contract. As you breathe in, imagine that you are breathing in a sense of peace and calm. And as you exhale, you let go of any stress or worries that you may be carrying. Feel your body relaxing with each breath, becoming more and more at ease. Bring your attention to your lower back and your hips. Notice any sensations or areas of discomfort. And with each exhale, imagine that you are releasing that tension or tightness and allowing the lower back and hips to soften and relax. Now expand your awareness to your legs and feet. Notice the weight of your legs against the surface beneath you. And feeling the sensation of your feet making contact with the ground. Let any tension in your legs and feet melt away as if it's flowing out through the soles of your feet and deep into the earth. Take a moment now to scan your body and notice if there are still any areas that you may be holding tension. if you find any, I want you to send your breath to those areas, inhaling to those areas, exhaling out and allowing that area to soften and relax. As we near the end of this meditation, I'd like you to bring your attention back to your breath, feeling the gentle rhythm of your inhale and your exhales. With each breath, feel a sense of calm and tranquility wash over you. And know that you carry this feeling of peace and relaxation with you anywhere you go and as you go about your day. Whenever you feel stressed, tired, overwhelmed, uninspired, take a moment to reconnect with your breath and find your center. This practice can be used in the morning, in the middle of the day, in the car, in the shower. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes and bring your awareness back to this present moment. Take a moment to express gratitude for this time that you've dedicated to your well-being. I invite you to carry this sense of peace and calm with you as you continue your day.